So our today's guest is B-boy Funky Monkey from Freakin' Styles crew.
And break and chill.
Okay, and Break and Chill.
Yes.
And so what? So basically, we wanted to ask you,
Yes.
why is Freakin' Styles crew called Freakin' Styles crew?
I think you should ask them only because I am the second generation in the crew.
Okay,
So
I'm in the third generation, but
yeah,
I mean,
I have no idea.
okay, you have no idea about it.
I think there's this history called these guys went to perform somewhere. So these guys used to call themselves freestylers.
Okay,
before.
freestylers.
So, yeah.
Okay.
So by mistake, those guys call them Freakin' Styles. So that's how they got the name.
Because
Freakin'
I heard it was frequency and something.
FNS is the FNS. They have another name. It's
Yeah.
frequency and skills.
Oh, frequency and skills. Okay. So you've been breaking since.
I'm breaking since 2009. It's been more than 8 years, and I'm still doing it.
Still representing.
Yes.
So Sunny, everyone in the scene knows you as Sunny Thapa MGR. What does the MGR stand for?
MGR is my tribe.
So tribe.
There's lots of guys who ask me about the MGR. So let me explain you guys. This is my tribe. I belong to Magar clan. It's a tribe. So
Okay.
yeah, MGR is a.
Okay. So Sunny, what's your real name, man? I mean, everyone knows you by Sunny, but like nobody knows your real name. What's your real name for the
Yeah.
b-boys in the scene?
That's my real name.
What
Thapa.
Sunny Thapa is your real name.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay then. So Sunny, what are your achievements, man? Like how many titles have you won? How many solo titles? How many?
I
team
don't
titles?
have much titles to tell you about,
Okay.
but I have won few 7 to smoke battles, and there was one more battle, 7 to death. That was India's very first and the last competition I won.
Okay.
And also that's it. I have also represented India in Singapore.
Okay, India and Singapore. That's great. So you were in the top 4 in Red Bull BC One 2015. That's
2015,
yeah. So
yes.
you had a really good chance of winning it.
I had not
You
now.
yeah. So you recently went to the Northeast with the Break and Chill team. Tell us more about that.
Okay, Break and Chill team is a collective of all the top b-boys from India.
Yeah.
So basically, my mentality was to explore Northeast and
Yeah.
to share our knowledge
Yeah.
through workshop and jamming with those guys
Yeah.
and giving and talk sessions.
Okay.
So the whole motive is to share our experiences and knowledge. Yeah.
Okay. So, Sunny, tell us more about your history and your journey, man. So, I have heard that you were in Arts and Motion Studios teaching for Freakin' Styles
Yes.
back then when you were not in Freakin' Styles. So, like, did you actually plan into getting into the crew back then?
I started with one crew. We used to call them Psycho Flippers.
Okay.
And then I met few guys from Dombivli,
Yeah.
and then we planned to collab with them
Yeah.
and start a new crew. That was High Down crew.
Okay.
So because of some personal issues, we planned to join Freakin'
Freakin'
Styles,
Styles, yeah.
and that's how we started.
So,
we joined Freakin' Styles.
so you're from the Northeast, right?
I'm from Darjeeling.
Yeah, you're from Darjeeling.
Gorkhaland.
Yeah, Gorkhaland. Represent. Uh, so anyway, so I wanted to know when you came to Mumbai, how accepting were people to you? As in, like, did they mock you or anything, or like, did you have any bad experiences?
Okay. There is always issue with the northeastern people,
Yeah.
like my kind of people, So I'm Nepali. Actually, I'm
Yeah.
Nepali. So people from northeast,
Mm-hmm.
and when I came here, when I came to Mumbai, I used to face many racism,
Okay,
and then
a lot of it.
they used to call me like Chinese or Japanese and
Yeah.
Nepali and shit,
Yeah.
Then I never reacted them. So but then later I made few friends, like local friends, and like in the end everything was cool. Like
Cool.
now, still there are few people who tease me, but I don't react them.
Yeah, you don't react to them. Okay. So it's YouTube time now, and we're gonna take a flashback to the past. All right.
Yes, I do. One of my best battle. One of my
Yeah. So what do you think was about that battle that was so hyped? Like we'll make you all look at the video afterwards. It is like I don't even know what to say.
Okay.
It's just
Okay, there was some issue between me and Bunny.
yeah, evidently.
We used to be very good friends, but because of some personal issue again,
Yeah.
we started hating each other. But then later, again, everything calmed
Yeah.
down and we became good friends. And now, like even still, we are like good friends. So it's all cool now. I'm gonna battle you again, bro. I want to
Yeah.
battle Bunny again.
Yeah, like that with long hair and like.
Not with the long hair, but like whatever I am, I want to battle Bunny one more
That
time.
was how many years ago? 10 years? No, not 10
Not
years.
10 years, I think 5.
No, not 5.
2000.
2010 it happened. It happened in
so-
2010.
oh, it's more than
It's
6
been
years.
7 years. It's been so you've been judging a lot,
Yeah.
you know, like in recent years. So we just wanted to know. I mean, how does the organizer pay you? Like,
It depends on the jam. Like
Okay.
if they get good sponsors, they are willing to pay me like 8,000, 9,000,
and if
more
they're
than
not
10,000.
if they're not willing to get good sponsors, then do they pay you Domino's pizza
no,
and
no,
like?
no, no, no.
a drink?
I never judge for free because it's my motto. Okay,
Yeah.
I have worked hard to earn through
Yeah.
like from
Yeah.
this, right? So like minimum I go is 6,000, not
Okay.
more than that. So
Okay.
if anybody wants to call me as a judge, please contact me.
Anyway, so you know how organizers say do it for the culture.
Yeah.
Varna,
I don't want to do it for culture. bro. Seriously,
Varna-
I am fed up of this culture thing because
Yeah.
everywhere I go, like every organizers, they'll be like, do it for the culture,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
this is good for our scene. No, this is not for our good. This is not for our scene, bro. I'll tell you what. Okay, they have money. They
Yeah.
will spend on another things, but not on the judge.
Yeah.
Right.
Not
And-
not even on the DJ. just
Yeah,
say-
yeah.
just say.
Even DJ, I can say.
Yeah.
And DJ is a very important part. You can
Even the judge,
You know,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like the organizers have the mentality के we'll do it for free. पैसे तो सबके पास होते हैं. पैसे तो होंगे उसके पास.
हमारे
You
पास
know?
नहीं है.
Yeah, we don't have money, dude. Like
That's
we're
why we judge, right? That's
Fucking
why we
broke
judge.
as fuck here. Anyway, so what do you think about the events that are organized and are called hip hop jams, but they have everything else but breaking? Like they have locking, they have popping, they have whacking, they have crumping, they have contemporary, they have Bharatnatyam, they have
Lyrical hip-hop.
Kathak, they have lyrical hip hop. They have jive, salsa, everything, but like except for breaking, and they call it a hip hop jam. What do you think about that?
Yeah. First of all, I think to all the organizers,
Yeah.
फर्स्ट इंडिया में जैम्स शुरू हुआ था ब्रेकिंग से.
हाँ.
सो लाइक मेरे लिए ब्रेकिंग शुड बी द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी सब ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के लिए. जो भी मतलब बी बॉइंग अगर कोई भी जैम में अगर बी बॉइंग इंक्लूड करते हैं तो आई थिंक चलो फर्स्ट नहीं तो भी इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए. ठीक है. और सिर्फ जैम्स रखना ही इट्स नॉट अ बिग थिंग. ठीक है. जैम्स कोई भी रख सकता है. ठीक है. बट उसको लाइक प्रॉपर वे से ख़त्म करना. ठीक है. प्राइज मनी जजेस को पे प्रॉपर मिल रहा है, डीजे को सब कुछ अच्छे से हो सकेगा तब उसको जैम बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
और वन मोर थिंग, हम लोग के इंडिया में जैम्स बहुत कम होता है, इवेंट्स होता है.
इवेंट्स होता है exactly.
सो इवेंट्स वो हो जाता है जब सब कुछ इंक्लूड हो जाता है, कंपटीशन बन जाता है. तो अगर तुम लोग जैम्स बोलते हो वो चीज़ को भी तो भाई ये चीज़ गलत है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. और प्लीज़ टू ऑल द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, ठीक है, और बहुत से है ऑर्गेनाइजर जिसने जो अच्छे से रख लेते हैं.
Yeah. और बहुत से ऐसे भी है जो अच्छे से नहीं रखते.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं रखते. तो
For
हम लोग को ये
example-
मैसेज नहीं एग्जाम्पल मालूम है तुम लोग को सब.
No, but I'm telling you. I don't mind. It's
No,
okay.
it's cool, it's totally fine.
Okay.
So to all the organizers, please
Yeah.
प्राइज मनी बढ़ाओ. सिर्फ जैम रखना बहुत कुछ सब कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ.
और जजेस को प्रॉपर पे दो और उनका भी ध्यान रखो. डीजे को,
ध्यान रखो.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स को. यस
Yeah.
प्लीज.
मतलब ऐसे बोर हो रहा रहेगा तो मुझे रख.
हाँ. और प्लीज सब ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को एक इवेंट या फिर एक जैम में इतना सारा कंपटीशन मत रखो जिसकी वजह से सब कुछ फंबल हो जाए.
हाँ,
सब
जिसकी
कुछ
वजह से वो
messy
इवेंट
जाए.
हुए ही नहीं. मतलब
यार
What
क्या
happened?
तुम लोग क्या टाइम देते हो और क्या टाइम तक निकल जाता है?
मतलब इवेंट चालू होना होता है, लाइक फेसबुक पेज पे रहता है 10:30 बजे शार्प, नहीं आए तो फिर वील स्टार्ट द कैटेगरीज विदाउट यू, और इवेंट चालू होता है 5 बजे.
5 बजे
मतलब
ये
क्या
चीज़ें
है?
गलत है, क्योंकि बी बॉयज़ वहाँ पे पहले पहुँच जाते हैं और बी बॉयज़ को बहुत एनर्जी चाहिए रहता है,
अरे,
बहुत लाइक स्ट्रेंथ
exactly.
चाहिए रहता है उन लोग को डांस करने के लिए, परफॉर्म करने के लिए, बैटल करने के लिए, तो उनका भी ध्यान रखो.
डूड इतना टाइम है ना, फ्लाइट भी डिले नहीं होता है.
नहीं होता है
इतना टाइम है ना, तत्काल में भी टिकट बुक करने का नहीं लगता है.
तो
जितना टाइम वो इवेंट डिले होता है.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स को पानी पिलाओ, सब कुछ दो, थोड़ा ध्यान रखो, तो इवेंट अच्छा हो सकता है. प्राइस में थोड़ा बढ़ा दो.
Yeah, it's about a participants make up the jam. मतलब
Yeah.
उसके बिना कुछ नहीं है. It's nothing. So
Yes.
one last question we have for you. Things you wish an organizer should have given to you. And we're not talking about blowjobs here, just to make it cool.
Okay,
Just to make it
first
clear.
of all, I think they should have given me flight ticket instead of train ticket,
Yeah.
and then a good hotel.
Yeah.
Good hotel.
Without bed bugs.
Yes, without bugs. And
So, what kind of things have organizers done to bring down your fees? Like when you've given them a quote of let's say 8,000, what have they said or what have they done? मतलब उन्होंने ऐसा क्या किया कि बोला कि नहीं ब्रो इतना नहीं होया, फीस थोड़ा कम कर तेरा.
okay, मुझे अभी भी एक इंसिडेंट याद है.
हाँ.
There was this guy, and he asked me to come down for 2,000.
Yeah.
And then मैंने बोला उसको कि यार 2,000 it's too less.
Yeah.
So he was like, we will promote you very well.
Yeah.
बैनर में नाम आएगा, photo आएगा. And I was like, नहीं चाहिए मुझे
नहीं
bro.
चाहिए.
वो सब नहीं चाहिए मुझे. I can do it for myself.
बैनर पे नाम है, पॉलिटिशियन है क्या बैनर पे नाम? शुभ क्या, हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
नहीं चाहिए मुझे वो सब.
Okay.
Only if minimum I can go is 6,000.
Yeah.
वो भी मुंबई के अंदर.
Yeah. So okay, rapid fire. So this is gonna be a rapid fire, like not rapid fire entirely, but like we'll just go a little quick over here. Who in your experience is the worst organizer?
There's many in my list, but I would say IBF. Sorry.
IBF. Yeah. So like don't take anything to heart.
Yeah,
anyone.
because you
just-
guys started for B-boys, right?
Yeah.
Where is it now?
Yeah.
That's the
Exactly.
question.
What city has the worst crowd?
Worst crowd?
Worst crowd.
I think Kolkata.
Kolkata.
They were dead.
Which state? So which event did you go to for judging, and they offered you a stay, and that was like horrible?
Horrible.
Yeah.
I think Pune. Street Beat Crew Jam.
Yeah.
Yeah, that hotel was crazy with the bugs and shit.
Worst event in your experience?
Sorry, I can't.
You. Yeah.
I shouldn't.
We're gonna
mention
keep
the
that.
name.
We're gonna keep that answer. Anyway, so we're gonna move on to random questions. So
Okay.
people just not see you in the light of like being Sunny Thapa or being B-boy Funky Monkey, but we want to actually get in depth.
Okay.
Okay. So like Bruce Wayne has Batman. is being B-boy Funky Monkey more difficult than being Sunny Thapa?
Being Funky Monkey, no.
No, it's easier.
I think it's easier because once I go in the circle,
Yeah.
I become Funky Monkey.
Okay.
Okay, and
What's the reason behind your name? Like why you Funky Monkey?
because
Why not Funky Cat or Dog?
Yeah, so
Or Snake?
because when I was kid, my mom, like I was the naughtiest kid in my family.
Yeah.
So my mom, she used to call me like Bandar.
Bandar.
Bandar. In my language, मेरा language में it's Bandar.
Bandar.
Yeah, Bandar.
Yeah.
Nepali में it's Bandar. So
Okay.
she used to call me Bandar. So like, and monkey is one of my favorite animal.
Yeah.
And why funky is funky? Because I think I'm stylish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not on beat, but you're stylish. Okay, I'll give you that.
I'm on beat, but being funky monkey,
Yeah.
like for me is to first thing, you have to be stylish.
Yeah.
You have to be style, you know.
Yeah.
That stands, b-boy stands, everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I'm funky monkey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's easier. That's
Yeah,
easier.
that's it.
Okay. So if given a chance to live the life of the following,
Okay.
which life would you pick?
Okay.
Would you rather be Rahul Gandhi? Would you be Dinchak Pooja or would you be Dharmesh? and why?
I think I will go with the Rahul Gandhi
Okay.
because
why?
he has lots of money.
Okay.
His mother is, you know about his
Mama.
mother, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think Rahul Gandhi rocks.
Okay. Okay. So we'll move on. Let's pretend that you're a sabji wala and I'm the customer
Okay.
and I'll just bargain and you have to do all the selling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So मैडम जी
हाँ बोलो
मैडम
ना
जी
भैया.
ये टमाटर ले लो, बड़े ही फ्रेश है और ताज़ा है, अभी अभी ये आया है गार्डन से.
गार्डन से आए
Garden
कहाँ
से.
उगाते हो?
ये हम अपने घर के पीछे उगाते
नहीं
हैं.
पर कितना कितना किलो है मतलब?
ये है अभी तो मार्केट में चल रहा है 120 रुपए केजी, बस आपको 80 रुपए में देंगे. 80 रुपए केजी.
नहीं वो उधर वाला ना 50 रुपए में दे देता है.
बट उसका सड़ा हुआ ना आंटी,
नहीं कल ही लेके गई मैं, वो तो अच्छे से देता है.
तो उसका अच्छे से ले लो. चलिए आपके लिए 40 रुपए कर दिया आपके लिए.
Dude, this is
क्योंकि
just a
आप
random
अच्छे-
auntie. This
अच्छे
is not
से ले-
Savita Bhabhi. Okay, okay. So pretend you are Remo, okay, and or Dharmesh, either of your choice. Okay, you want to be Remo? No.
Even
But
he has money.
listen to the question first.
Okay, cool.
You are there to select b-boys, and you're gonna define b-boys, and you're gonna define what hip hop means to the character you picked.
Okay.
Yeah, and you have to also like question the b-boys. Like you just have to ask one question. Okay,
To
one really-
b-boys?
yeah, to b-boys.
Okay.
One really fucked up question.
Okay.
Okay, fucked up is my opinion because I don't think they would have good questions. But go.
ओके सो जो आपने स्टंट किया है, इस स्टंट का नाम क्या और आपने कहाँ से सीखा है?
ये एल्बो पे विंडमिल है.
एल्बो पे विंडमिल, बड़ा ही अच्छा स्टंट है. सो ये आपने सीखा कहाँ से?
ये मैं जेनिफर लोपेज से सीखा.
जब मैं अपने टाइम में जब मैं गया था यूके,
हाँ.
तब तो मैंने सिर्फ कॉपी किया था ले ट्विंस का.
अच्छा.
जैसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो हम लोग पोज चेंज करते हैं तो उसे हिप हॉप भी बोलते हैं. यूके में बहुत होता है, यूएस यूके में.
फोन जैसे अपग्रेड होता है ना.
तो हमको भी अपना मुंह वही रहता है, स्टाइल वही रहता है, सिर्फ हम लोग को अपना
थोड़ा ऐड कर दे थोड़ा.
ऐड करना पड़ता है,
हाँ.
अपग्रेड करना पड़ता है. वाह वेरी गुड, सही है. पानी पिला दो मुझे फटाफट.
So the next question is explain GST to our viewers. ये किसने लिखा है?
अबे यार ये तो मुझे
ये-
ठीक से मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा अंदर यार.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next question.
please.
Yeah. Pick your pick your best 3 Pokemon.
3 Pokemon.
Yeah, that you really like.
I think Bulbasaur,
Yeah.
Charizard,
Yeah.
and Charmander.
Okay. Pick 3 of your favorite Indian b-boys.
Flying Machine.
Okay. Flying Machine.
From Northeast, Hip,
Okay.
and I think like for me there are many like my favorite.
We just need
B-boys.
one more.
One more you want, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Who's it gonna be?
I think Burst from Kolkata.
Burst. Okay. So Burst, Hip, and Flying Machine.
Flying Machine.
And Bulbasaur, Charizard, and Charmander.
Yeah.
So which b-boy would be which Pokemon?
Okay, I think Bulbasaur would be Burst,
Okay.
and
Why? You don't really know why, right?
No,
You're
I
just
have no idea.
you're just gonna give Charizard to Flying Machine, right?
Yeah,
because he's
he's
strong.
powerful and
because he's
strong.
strong.
Yeah,
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 bullshit, dude. Bullshit.
And Charmander is cute, and
So do you
even
think
he's powerful,
so
right?
you think Hip is cute?
Hip is
Okay.
cute.
I'm not against gay people like.
Even I'm not gay, but like there's
No,
many,
like, dude,
there's
like,
many girls
gay
who die
pride,
for
gay pride.
Hip.
Okay.
Yeah, really, for real.
Okay.
In Northeast, he's famous.
Okay.
He's famous like
Okay.
anything.
Great. I want to meet Hip once.
Yeah.
I haven't met him yet.
He will be here soon.
Okay, so why is Burst? No. Okay. You answered everything, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you answered everything. My bad. So pick one, okay? Would you rather be dressed as Rakhi Sawant or would you be rather dressed as Tahir Shah in Comic Con? Why Tahir Shah?
Because I feel this guy's his mindset is in another level. Because he took 3 years to write one song, Eye to Eye. Like we have no idea why
We have no idea.
Yeah, even we have no idea why the hell you took
Yeah.
like 3 years.
3 years to write that.
Yeah, the same thing. And for me, this guy is funny,
Yeah.
crazy. So
Okay.
not Rakhi Sawant.
Okay.
Drama queen.
All right. Moving on. Would you rather have swag like Honey Singh or like Badshah?
Basha.
Why?
I think Honey Singh.
इसे कहते हैं
See, first thing, because I don't like his name only.
Okay.
मैं ग्रैमी ले आऊंगा
Honey Singh, Yo-Yo Honey Singh. It's Yo-Yo Honey Singh, right?
Okay.
You
You seem to know a lot about crap artists.
Yeah.
Just saying. Just putting it out there. And do you also listen to Rebecca Black?
Sorry?
No, never mind.
No, I don't.
No, okay.
Yeah. So, first of all, I don't like his name.
Yeah.
Like the way he promote himself as a hip hop artist,
Yeah.
he's not.
He's not, yeah.
He's not a hip hop artist, and even his raps, it's all bullshit.
Bullshit, yeah.
But
मैं ग्रैमी ले आऊंगा
he's famous. He have money.
He has money. So,
Money. Everyone will.
So basically,
JJ
money.
कार
Money.
करेंगे.
Money
इसे कहते हैं हिप हॉप इसे कहते हैं हिप हॉप
is the driving force
Yeah,
for
and-
Sunny's life.
Yeah,
money है तो Sunny है.
Money is very important, bro.
They're gonna make a remake. Money है तो
And-
Sunny है.
And Basha, I think I have heard his few raps.
Yeah.
I found it quite good.
Okay.
Not that good, but like compared to Honey Singh, Basha is.
I'm just saying. So Sunny would rather listen to Badshah than Wu-Tang Clan. Let
No,
that
what
sink
the
in.
fuck? You gave me two.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay.
Wu-Tang Clan is
Nothing to
King,
fuck
bro.
with.
King.
Yeah. So. Okay. So moving on to probably our last question of the day. Do you rather prefer watching Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi or Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki or Kusum?
I remember watching Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi because Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi में बहुत सारा मिहिर every 6 months में चेंज होता था. तो like every time मैं मुझे भी देखता था एक्साइटेड होता था
हाँ.
कि अभी नेक्स्ट क्या होगा नेक्स्ट क्या
नया
होगा.
मीर कौन है?
कुसुम और कहानी घर घर की
Yeah.
उतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं था, बट साथ ही कभी बहुत ही तो भाई खतरनाक था यार. बहुत सारा ड्रामा था, बहुत यार. मैंने देखा एक्चुअली.
अच्छा, मतलब देखो स्टोरी वोरी याद है सब, मतलब
उतना याद नहीं, बट कुछ याद है मुझे. जब मिहिर का फेस चेंज होता है. Plastic surgery, yes. So I would go.
Do you like this t-shirt though?
Yes, very much. Even this.
Yeah, I didn't really want to wear this to be
Also
honest.
represent. Also.
किधर से लिया मालूम है मैंने? Fashion Street.
बस हो गया. Cut.
So thanks a lot for making it till the end. You know, like if you watch the entire video, that's kudos to you, man. And thanks a lot for being here. And if you all have any more questions, or if you want, or if you want any other artists to be featured in the video, please drop them in the comments. And if you have any more questions that you want us to ask to these artists, please drop it in the comments as well. Yeah, because then we'll actually ask them. But make sure it's funny, alright? And I'm leaving you with Sunny. And yeah.
Okay, guys. As you guys know, I have a brand called Ozo. Please check it out. Yeah. Just type Ozo Apparel in Instagram or Facebook and like and order whatever you guys want.
Yeah. It's really cool. It's really hip, and we'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out, check everything out, and support your local artists.
Always do that.
Always do that because
I
they're
do
the
that
ones.
always.
They're the ones who are gonna make it big someday.
Yes.
Peace out. ओके
बॉटल किधर है? और भी क्वेश्चन बहुत है क्या?
थोड़े ही है, खत्म होना है, जल्दी खत्म हो रहा है. लास्ट के थोड़े अच्छे हैं.
बट सही है, मजा आता है.